Looking at the Markets with David Modell.
There's a huge problem and a huge opportunity. Hi, this is David Modell looking at the markets. You know how much I love to bring you investment opportunities. This is a huge one. I know you're going to want to learn more about this. Look, there's a growing mental health crisis going on in spite of the massive spending. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, depression, addiction, anxiety, tens of millions of patients suffering in the US alone. Billions spent on it, on psychiatric services, on conventional medicines, psychiatrists, tens of thousands of them, psychiatric practices, 15,000 in North America. But what is being accomplished? Is conventional medicine helping enough people? I don't think so. And so I look to alternative medicine, such as psilocybin, CBD or cannabidiol, ketamine, MDMA, and so forth. These can be highly effective as proven in the scientific research. Here's one study you're looking at right now, in which the psilocybin group, as opposed to the control group, showed increased well-being and positive behavior changes. In addition, psilocybin has been shown to increase brain connectivity and resting blood flow, shown to have rapid effects on treatment-resistant depression, and CBD or cannabidiol is a neuroprotectant, and CBD and psilocybin together have independently been shown to significantly affect migraine. Now here is Mr. Daniel Carcillo. He played for 9 years in the NHL, won 2 Stanley Cups, but was forced to retire at age 30 due to post-concussion syndrome after 7 concussions. He tried traditional clinical concussion treatments for traumatic brain injury, TBI, for years, and he spent hundreds of thousands of dollars, but it didn't help him like it should have. So he turned to psilocybin, which is commonly known as magic mushrooms, in combination with evidence-based therapies and other plant medicines, fungi, and adaptogens. 6 months into this journey, Mr. Daniel Carcillo received news that his brain scans had no abnormalities. His blood work had normalized, confirming how he felt about it. Now, Mr. Daniel Carcillo is the founder, CEO, and the survivor as well, but the CEO and founder of Wasana Health Holdings, Inc. And I want you to check out their website, wasanahealth.com. Link is in the description below this video. If you are interested in the stock, on the US, the stock ticker symbol is WSNAF. And on the Canadian CSE exchange, stock ticker is WESA. This is a company I believe in. Since Big Pharma couldn't help Mr. Daniel Carcillo, the founder, he established a program that utilizes safe, tested alternative therapies by utilizing psilocybin and cannabidiol, CBD, a combination therapy of compounds with demonstrated effectiveness. Wasana's primary product, Sana 13, targets symptom alleviation by improving the body's own neuroplasticity while reducing inflammation. And Wasana's provisional patents focus on large markets worth billions of dollars with considerable unmet needs. These are TBI, traumatic brain injury-related symptoms, such as depression, anxiety, and also migraine, and these are each worth billions of dollars, with huge growth potential for these total addressable markets. And they're being helped by Wasana and the science. Wasana animal study data showed Sana 13 proprietary protocol maintained effects of the loading dose and provided over 50% additional improvement in depression behavior over LDP loading dose psilocybin alone. So the lighter purple shows the effectiveness or improvement of just the loading dose of psilocybin. Yeah, that's okay, it's pretty good, but Sana 13 did much better with symptomatic improvement. Look at that difference there in the darker purple bars there. Huge difference. And there's regulatory progress going on. Not long ago, the FDA, U.S. Food and Drug Administration, granted Wasana's request for a pre-IND investigational new drug meeting to discuss the novel therapy and proprietary protocol of Wasana 13 for the treatment of TBI, traumatic brain injury related major depressive disorder. This is a huge leap forward since it clears the path toward further study and advancement of Wasana 13 in the US. This is huge and very promising. In the pre-IND meeting, the company expects to receive feedback from the FDA on its toxicology program and research to date in advance of the next steps. What would that be? Full IND clearance, we hope, and initiation of the phase 1 clinical trial currently anticipated to occur in late 2022. But in addition to Wasana 13, Wasana also has clinics to help patients. Wasana is building a network of multidisciplinary psychiatric clinics to address the need for integrated care. Wasana currently has 2 operating clinics in the greater Chicago area, and these focus on holistic health founded in psychiatry. This is legitimate. Personalized care through proprietary diagnostics and strategically positioned to capture patient insurance coverage because, of course, patients want to be able to use their insurance coverage to help pay for the care. And here are the headlines that are really exciting. Wasana's health clinics surpassed 4,000 administered ketamine treatments. Wow. Talk about legitimacy, talk about credibility. This is happening right now. The company announced that Wasana Clinic's business segment surpassed 4,000 administered ketamine treatments for major depressive disorder, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, and addiction since inception. And the numbers prove the point. Record fourth quarter 2021 numbers at Wasana Clinics. The clinics realized a record quarter in Q4 of 2021 of billings, new patient visits, telemedicine utilization, overall patient appointments, and ketamine administrations. Wow. It sounds like they're lining up to get what they have at Wasana Clinics, which is healing solutions. Wasana Clinics saw a 40% increase in new patient volume and a 29% increase in new appointments relative to the previous quarter. In December of 2021, compared to the prior month, ketamine infusions have also exceeded previous records by 52%. They're firing on all cylinders here. The numbers are just incredible. The growth is amazing. And Wasana has a potential partnership with MAPS. That is the Multidisciplinary Association for Psychedelic Studies. Wasana is in talks with MAPS to study the use of MDMA-assisted therapy to treat symptoms associated with TBI, traumatic brain injury. MDMA-assisted therapy for PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, showed reduction in symptoms among, get this, 88% of the participants. Huge success there. And the FDA commercialization approval of MDMA for PTSD is targeted. They're hoping for Q4 2022. So this is Wasana Health Holdings, founded in 2019, headquartered in Chicago, publicly listed 2021. What are the main points here? Highly experienced leadership team that have brought many drugs to the market, preclinical and basic science research programs, focusing on validated animal models and biomarkers of disease, pursuing clinically differentiated lead candidate, IP, intellectual property portfolio, including patent and application stage, developing first-to-market model for multidisciplinary care with a data-driven psychiatric foundation informed by advanced diagnostics. That's right, they have Wasana 13, but also the clinics. Don't forget about those. Potential partnership with MAPS, we discussed that, to investigate MDMA for traumatic brain injury. Potential partnership with the World Boxing Council, I should add that. And inclusion in the Advisor Shares PSIL ETF. They're part of the fund there. So again, I invite you to check out and visit wasanahealth.com. Link is in the description below this video. You can click on that or tap on it. Wasana Health Holdings, Inc. How can you invest if you're ready to do that? In the US, stock ticker symbol WSNAF on your screen right now. And on the Canadian CSE market, WESA is the stock ticker symbol. Check out the company. This is exciting science, research-backed. The clinics, Wasana 13, and they're helping people already. Over 4,000 ketamine treatment administrations already. Wow. So how many more people is Wasana gonna help? The sky's the limit, really. And this is an exciting new opportunity for you that I'm just showing you right now, so you can get in on the ground floor if you're ready to do that. My name's David Modell. This is Looking at the Markets. I'm going to keep on bringing you these high conviction, high potential opportunities for you to take advantage of. So I want to thank you for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.